In this video, I will show you how to properly fix Uber Eats ID verification not working. So if you're trying to verify your own account on Uber Eats and it's not verifying, what you can do is you can head over and then uninstall the app itself. So let's head over to Play Store and let's search in here for Uber Eats. Now what we can do is we can click on this uninstall button, and then once it's done uninstalling, you can try to install it. So doing this will actually reset all the progress or data or any glitches that you have yet onto the Uber Eats and then install a fresh new perspective to it. However, if that's not the case, you can head over right here to your browser and search for Uber Eats down. So let's search in here for that. And then from in there, once you have searched for it, you can see this down detector and you can see if Uber Eats is down and if there's something that's actually been happening. As you can see, it's down right now, so you can head over and then consider out there. So that's how you properly fix Uber Eats ID verification not working. Hope we help.